That's what's going to happen. All games eventually, in 3 to 5 years, I think, are going to be offering some form of true actual ownership.
Crypto has never seen such a crazy sentiment like this in any bear run ever. We see hundreds of projects being built and expanded on just this year. Interest rates just waiting to be cut. Billions being deployed into other countries, which will eventually call for billions more to be printed. And we're now seeing the largest asset manager in the world, BlackRock, preparing its very own ETF for Bitcoin, as well as a few others. But that discussion we'll save for another video, because finance won't be the only sector that sees a massive adoption in the world of crypto. No, today we're talking about the $100 billion plus industry, gaming, that is levels above the movie and even the music industry, and why Gala Games will play a big part of it. Have you ever dreamed of exploring magical worlds, discovering hidden treasures, and even creating your own games? Well, in the world of Gala Games, all these dreams can come true. So what is Gala? Gala Games is like a big playground where you can have tons of fun with games, characters, and, believe it or not, your very own digital assets. But what is a digital asset? Think of it as a special item or creature you can own in a video game. In Gala Games, these digital assets are extra special because they're powered by something called blockchain technology. This technology keeps everything safe and unique across the ecosystem. In Gala Games, you can explore different virtual worlds. Imagine traveling to magical forests, futuristic cities, and ancient dungeons, all from the comfort of your computer. You'll meet all sorts of characters and creatures along the way. Now, let's talk about those digital assets we mentioned earlier. These assets are called NFTs, which stands for non-fungible tokens. Each NFT is one of a kind, like a rare trading card. In Gala Games, you can collect NFTs of characters, items, and even pieces of land. And guess what? You truly own them. You can keep them or even trade them with others. So imagine having the power to actually own your own items. With Gala Games, you can do just that. They put a lot of their focus on ownership, so that when you earn, your earnings will stay with you indefinitely and forever. Eric Schiermeier has emphasized this a lot and understands that this is what people truly want in anything. It's to have full ownership over your hard-earned assets. When we think of gaming, platforms like Steam immediately come to mind. Steam, with its vast library of games and massive user base, has long been a titan in the gaming industry. However, Gala Games has been making waves in the gaming universe, and there are some exciting possibilities that could help it surpass Steam in performance. One of Gala Games' standout features is its embrace of blockchain technology and decentralization. While Steam operates as a centralized platform, Gala Games empowers players and creators by offering ownership of in-game assets as non-fungible tokens, NFTs. This means that players truly own their digital items, characters, and land within the Gala Games ecosystem. This ownership not only gives players more control, but also introduces exciting opportunities for trading and creating unique gaming experiences. Gala Games takes the concept of player-driven economies to a whole new level. By allowing players to earn, trade, and sell NFTs, Gala Games fosters a vibrant and decentralized gaming economy. This ecosystem encourages innovation and creativity, as players and developers can collaborate on unique projects without the limitations of traditional gaming platforms. Steam is primarily a top-down platform where decisions are made by the company itself. In contrast, Gala Games emphasizes community engagement and governance. Players and token holders have a say in the direction of the platform through voting and proposals.
Why would somebody start a $10 billion company and then leave it? Well, I'm an entrepreneur and I can't stand bureaucracy. It's the whole reason I'm an entrepreneur in the first place.
This democratic approach ensures that the platform evolves according to the desires of its users, leading to a more player-centric environment. Gala Games incorporates NFTs not only for cosmetic items, but also as integral components of gameplay. These NFTs can grant players special abilities, unlock hidden content, and contribute to the overall narrative of the games. This play-to-earn model, where players can earn valuable NFTs through gameplay, adds an exciting layer to the gaming experience and has the potential to attract a broader audience. Steam has traditionally been a platform where game developers rely on the platform holder for distribution and revenue sharing. Gala Games offers creators more autonomy and a higher revenue share from their games. This can lead to a more diverse range of games and experiences, as developers are incentivized to experiment and take creative risks. Gala Games aims to create an interconnected gaming universe, where players can move seamlessly between different games using the Gala platform. This vision could lead to a cohesive and expansive gaming metaverse, where players and creators interact across various titles, fostering a sense of continuity and community. Now, here's the exciting part. You can be a part of Gala Games by investing Gala tokens. Tokens are like digital money you can use within the Gala Games ecosystem. In the example I am about to share, you can get 5,000 Gala tokens for $100. But remember, the prices of tokens can go up and down, just like in a video game. Here's how it works. Investment amount, $100. Token price, 0.02 per Gala token. To find out how many Gala tokens you'd get, you can use this simple math. Number of tokens equals investment amount divided by token price. In this case, number of tokens equals $100 divided by 0.02 equals 5,000 Gala tokens. So if you invest $100 in Gala tokens at a price of $0.02 each, you would receive 5,000 Gala tokens. These tokens can be used to participate in Gala Games, buy NFTs, or my favorite, convert them to Bitcoin and cash them out for actual money on an exchange. While Gala Games holds great promise, it's important to note that surpassing a behemoth like Steam is no easy task. Steam's established user base and extensive library of games are formidable advantages. Gala Games will need to continue innovating, attracting both players and developers, and expanding its ecosystem to achieve long-term success. In conclusion, Gala Games is an exciting player in the gaming industry, with its emphasis on decentralization,
Is that people want to own their stuff. That if you buy something, you should own it.
ownership, player-driven economies, and community engagement. While surpassing Steam in performance is a challenging endeavor, Gala Games' unique approach to gaming and NFT integration positions it as a formidable contender in the evolving world of gaming platforms. The future of gaming holds exciting possibilities, and Gala Games is at the forefront of this transformation. But what do you think? Does Gala have a promising future? Subscribe, leave a comment down below, and I'll see you in the next video.